What's going on, guys? Another air conditioning cover. Alright guys, what's going on, everyone? Welcome to the Rev Room. If this is your first video with us, please check out our other content. We have playlist sections. Check it all out. There's probably something there you're going to want to watch. So, we already did an air conditioning cover, and I put them on. I was happy with them. They did their thing, and the first windstorm rain thing came about, and they annoyed me. They were flapping. I can hear them in my house. I had to get rid of them. Threw them out and bought these covers. So this one's brand new in a package. I already have the other one on my unit, and I have been testing it. Night and day difference. I'm telling you that right now. So this is from the brand. It's on Amazon. Again, not sponsored by Amazon. Not sponsored by Xeeol. Xeeol. Air conditioning covers for window units. Window AC cover for outside unit. You know how these listings are. Clear from China. It is $18.98 retail. It's on sale right now for $17.23. And there's a 30% coupon. I think I ended up paying like $13 for it, which is like $1 or $2 cheaper than the other one I bought, and this is substantially better. So, show you guys. They come in three sizes, I'm sorry. So, this particular one is the 27.5 inch by 22.5 inch by 18.5 inch. They come in a 17 by 12 by 13 and a 21.5 by 16 by 15. So, 3 different sizes to cover your bases if you need so. Now, first things first, the canvas cover. This thing is just, the whole cover in general is substantially thicker, substantially better made. The stitching on it is better. It has the like fold over piece on the stitching, and it's stitched again. Substantially better, thicker, stronger than the other plasticky, more tight cover. So, this one does have the plastic lining or the PVC lining on it, so it makes it waterproof. It is actually waterproof. So is the other one. I have no complaints as far as the waterproofing capabilities of both of these units. You would think something this thick would end up just getting wet and take long to dry. That's not the case with this. The water does absorb on this. It does get wet, but it doesn't stay wet for all that long. It's not like, you know, you put in paper towels on the outside of it. It's going to dry and get gunky and crappy afterwards. So it is wind resistant. Can't blow through it. And again, just overall, substantially better unit. It fits better over it. I should have measured the other unit because the other cover, because I had to end up going to buy the bigger size than what I originally ordered because I think the measurements were off, and I had to get the bigger size, so I was like a ½ inch off or whatever. Bought the bigger size, put it on. It fit great, everything, but after using that strap system, this one is substantially better, and I'll explain why. So you have this, strap. There's 2 of them on here, which the other one only had 1. It was more like a pull string one. But these straps are, it's almost like a belt on your pant loop. They move throughout the unit, throughout the strap. So there's like 4 of them located all the way around the canvas top. So what I ended up doing, put this towards the top. So imagine this is your air conditioning unit. You know, yes, it's big. So you see the straps sit on the top. This is the side of the unit. It wraps all the way around. So here's the bottom of it, the clasp. So you take this. I didn't even have to undo this. I just put it on my unit, and then I pulled the straps tight, and they stayed. So you can see this pretty strong guy, and they're solid. These straps are solid. It holds tight. I'm not worrying about it going anywhere in the high winds. Most importantly, it doesn't flap, and I think it's the combination of the thicker material and the double strap on this particular unit that makes it that much better. So that's basically it for that. If you guys want a slightly better cover that may or may not be on sale, because you know how these Chinese brands do things, it is substantially better. If you need to pay $3 or $4 more and pay full price for it, get it. It's definitely worth it. It's definitely better. Again, they have this cover, the other one I reviewed, and then they have the insulated ones. After getting this one, I still don't think you need the insulated ones. I think this is more than sufficient, and I'm happy with this new style of cover. That's all I got for you guys. If you guys enjoyed the video, comment down below. Let us know. If you guys have used any other products like this, please comment down below. Brand, whatever it is that you guys use. We like to see what you guys are purchasing, what you guys are buying out there. So that's all I got for you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Take care.